Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. My name is Shoaib. I'm the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website as well as our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/PMCLounge. If you're watching this video on YouTube, consider subscribing to us. We are all about project management. We are all about PMP and other project management related certifications. In this quick video, I wanted to share two beautiful charts that I found online, and they talk about the skills that you need in Scrum for a Scrum Master role or any other role in the Scrum environment, as well as the kind of certifications you can look forward to for, again, Scrum Master role or any other role in the Scrum environment. So this is a very important video if you're looking to advance your career in the Scrum environment, or if you're trying to switch to the Scrum environment. So let me share my screen. The first chart talks about the Scrum Master competencies and key skills. And this chart, it is very beautiful because it divides the skills into these different areas that you see on your screen right now, right? So you've got, first of all, you've got planning, right? Let's start off with planning. So within planning, you need to have backlog refinement, you need to have planning at scale, you need to have sprint planning, and you need to have metrics and reporting. So these are the kind of skills and the kind of concepts and events that you should be aware of. So as a Scrum Master, you should be aware of what sprint planning is all about. You should be aware of what metrics and reporting is all about in the Scrum environment, right? We've done videos on all of these. Actually, first link in the description, I'll share a link to the entire playlist of all the videos that we have done. Those videos are going to help you even if you're preparing for your PMP exam. Those videos are going to help you prepare the Agile part of the PMP exam. And they are also going to help you understand all these concepts like backlog refinement, sprint planning, planning at scale, and everything. So in planning, these are the kind of key skills, concepts that you should be aware of as a Scrum Master. Then let's talk about execution. So under execution, you've got daily Scrum. You should be able to know what you as a Scrum Master are supposed to do in the daily Scrum. And I've argued earlier that you don't have to join the daily Scrum every single day in one of our other videos. But to be honest, if your job description clearly says that you as a Scrum Master need to host the daily Scrum, then you got to do that, right? So you need to understand what daily Scrum is, how to host it, what are your responsibilities as a Scrum Master when it comes to daily Scrum. Impediments and dependencies, subject matter expertise, value delivery. Can you focus on value, measure and grow? All these are the kind of concepts and skills that you as a Scrum Master should have. Now, if you see, they've also given some kind of scores here, 25, 50, and 75, represented by spheres. So what this means is, if this is a 75 sphere, perhaps subject matter expertise is around 75, right? It could be around 65 basically. Then you have a sphere for 50. So value delivery is what matters, is the score given to value delivery skill for you as a Scrum Master is 50. So you can also check around the kind of weight that you should give to all these key skills. Then you've got leadership, self-organizing teams. How can you enable your teams to self-organize? Effective facilitator, of course, that's the number one thing that you as a Scrum Master should have. Enable autonomy, because the teams are self-organizing teams. They should be able to work on issues themselves, and you should be the enabler. You should not be someone who is intrusive when it comes to the Scrum environment. Positive encourager, protect from disruptions. If there are any disruptions, it could be from different teams, it could be from higher management. How can you protect your Scrum team from disruptions? That is also one of the leadership skills that you as a Scrum Master should have. Then let's talk about coaching. So in coaching, you've got relationship building, effective communication, teacher and a coach. You need to be a teacher and a coach. You need to be a good listener. Very, very important. A lot of people listen so that they can respond. They don't listen, process, understand, and then give a response if required, create healthy culture. All of these are skills that you as a coach need to have. Now, of course, if you have these kind of skills, you can also look into if you have these kind of skills and if you're growing these kind of skills, if you enjoy them, you can also look into the agile coach role. Then you've got foundation. These were actually the beginning skills, beginner skills that you should have, and we should have perhaps started here. But agile values, team structure, roles and expectations, team norms, all of these are also stuff that you would learn when you do certain certifications, which is my next slide, which talks about all the certifications, very popular certifications to be frank. And these are Scrum certifications which are mentioned in job listings as of August 2021, and job listings on LinkedIn, Indeed, Simply Hired, and then there's a total. So these certifications are very, very popular certifications, and they are basically arranged in that order. You've got CSM, Certified Scrum Master, CSPO, this is Scrum Product Owner. So of course, if you're a Scrum Master, if you want to move into product owner role, then CSPO is quite a popular certification. So perhaps a lot of people comment that, I've got my CSM certification, what certification should I get next? Well, CSPO seems to be the next step because it is very, very popular. Then you have PSM, Professional Scrum Master, that is. You've got CSPSM, SSM, PSPO, and CSD. So these are the most popular certifications, and as you can see, CSM is actually way ahead from the closest competitor CSPO itself, because you've got a total mention of 5,885, and the next one is not even half of it, right? 2,630. So CSM is definitely one certification that you can look forward to if you want to get into a Scrum environment, if you want to become a Scrum Master. And the kind of skills that you need for this job is also something that we already discussed. So I hope this quick video was helpful. I hope it gave you some kind of direction in terms of how you can grow in your career and what you actually need in order to do so. That's all in this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Smash that like button if you got value out of it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you and have a nice day.